All right, so anyway, this is the JURA EN4 super coffee maker, and I've got changed the filter signal on it. So I've got to change this filter. The filter's in this little reservoir where the water comes out, and I just got it right here. It's called a Clearyl smart filter cartridge, and then it's in some other languages. So we got to take it out of its bag, we got to put it in there. That's what we're gonna do. So here we are, right? Let's get it out of here. Come on out. There it is. It's got this little like prophylactic on the bottom. You just kind of twist and it comes off. And bam, Bob's your uncle. It's ready to go. Set it right there. Here's our cartridge. I'm going to dump the water out. All right, so here it is. So if you look on this, it's got this little thing that you squeeze, and these little things pop out of the side right here. You see that little hole right there? When I squeeze that, it kind of pops out like that. And there, see, look, it's dripping. See how that come out? And I squeeze this side, and this one comes out. And then I just kind of pull it, just like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle, there it is. Set that down. So if you look, you're gonna see it catches right here on the sides. All I do is grab it like this and pop it. And it comes right off, bam. This is the old one, stick it there. Here's our new one, right? All we have to do is take it, smush it in here like this. Bam, there it is, done, ready to go. Now we gotta stick it down inside. We gotta stick it down in there. You see how it's got those little grooves in the bottom of it? And you can see the grooves down there, right? So I slide her in like this, all the way down, till I get into those little groovations down there. And you just gotta kind of look. You can see, if you look, you can see how it sets in there like that. I'll just spin it around. You can see now it's down in there. You see how it's in there? And then look at the top. And then you just gotta slide this over until you get close to those little holes, and then push that in. And then you wanna push this one in. And bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. Now all you gotta do is fill it with water and stick it back on the machine. So let's just turn it around. I'm gonna put it in cold water. Got it on the cold. We'll set it right there. And bam. Fill her up with regular. Ups a daisy. Bam, done. Then we grab our top, set it on there, and that's it. That's how you do it. Then you got to bring it back over to the machine. Once you set it on the machine like that, that should disappear. There we go. So it's going to do something because it knows we put the new filter in, and it's going to clean it out. You can see the water's being pulled through it. Yeah, look. Takes a while. But what it's doing is it's kind of getting the filter ready to use. You don't want to use a new filter in it until you get it squared away by the machine. The machine knows what to do. It's smarter than me. And you can see that it's blinking. This is getting lower and lower. And this thing's going to get filled up. See it? It's pulling that water down. I mean, it's taken all that water so far. And look, it's done. Now it's telling us we got to pull the tray out, which is full of water. So you got to be careful. Take it over here. Ooh, almost dropped it. Spill her out. Get it all out of there. Then we're going to put it back in there. There we go. See what happens. And it just keeps going. And I think we might be done. We're waiting, still blinking. Getting closer. Oh, it's taking a long time, isn't it? Oh, we're there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and have some coffee. I'm on one bean because I don't like it too strong. All right, and that's how you do it. That's how you change your filter on your JURA ENA4. It comes in from Amazon. There's the old one. We got to throw that one away and those pieces. But that's it. Yeah. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.